Let's look at how you can download the resources for this course. The resources for this course are available on Trading Kernel Stack, which is our trading community, stack.tradingkernel.com. Once you visit this URL, head over to resources, and then scroll down to the trend following course. Click on this, and it's going to take you to my personal page. You can give me a follow and connect with me. But to do that, you have to sign in. Now here you can find the trend following strategy. Make sure you download the most recent updates. You can see we have May 28th. It's public, which means you can actually download it without logging in. Okay? So click on this, download the file, and extract it. And once you do, you're going to have these files. I'm currently accessing them via Jupyter Notebook. So this is how it looks like. You're not required to have Jupyter Notebook for this trading course, but this is where we are going to be showing you how our strategy works. So if you're a Python developer and you have your Jupyter Notebook, you can actually access the scripts. We have our financial analysis classes. We have our data processor class. We have our download data class. We have some machine learning classes. And then we have our strategy analysis class. We won't use all of this for this course, but you can go through them and understand how they work. We have our backtesting file. We have our download historical data file. And we have our financial analysis file for Audi UST, BTC UST, GBP JPY, US Tech 100, and USD JPY. In this course, we'll be looking at the financial analysis for USD JPY. But I'm also going to walk you through the financial analysis for US Tech 100 and BTC USD. We're not going to look at the financial analysis of Audi UST or GBP JPY. We just want to make things as easy as possible. Okay? And lest I forget, the financial analysis class for BTC UST and US Tech 100 are all in the 1 hour time frame. So make sure to update this here so you won't get confused. We also have a full MT5 trader class here. If you open this here, you would find a full class that you can actually use to trade on your MetaTrader 5. So if you're a Python developer, you can use this script to trade on your MetaTrader 5. This isn't the fully automated robots. It's just a test spot that you can use to trade on your MetaTrader 5. Doesn't include the trading strategy as well. So we have some CSV files here of symbols that we downloaded. We also have some machine learning models. And that's about it. So let's have a recap on what you should do to download all the resources for this course. First, head over to Trading Kernel Stack. Click on Resources. And then click on the Trend Following course. And you're going to see my page. Head down here and make sure you download the most recent. And then extract the file. And then you can actually open it on your normal folder, or you can open it on Jupyter Notebook. You don't have to download this resource file to follow up along with the course. Let's move on.